Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you my wash day routine. I wash my hair in sections because washing your hair in sections means you have more access to your scalp, which is highly important because scalp buildup is detrimental to hair growth and health. In this video, I'll be trying for the first time the Shea Moisture's Raw Shea Butter, Restorative Shampoo and Conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil. When I shampoo my hair, I make sure I focus the shampoo on my roots rather than my ends because our ends are the oldest part of our hair. The only thing that I didn't like about this shampoo was that it was burning the hell out of my eyes. After I thoroughly shampoo my hair, I make sure I rinse out all the shampoo with water. Then I begin to condition my hair while still working in sections, raking the conditioner through my hair. I gently use my hands and a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair. After I finish conditioning my hair, I rinse it out with water, removing each clip from each section. I then use the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Hair Mask to deep condition my hair. I then put on a plastic cap and leave the deep conditioner in for about an hour. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.